From Perth City to Margaret River, it's a boring drive and it can make you go kind of crazy. The caravan is still not quite ready for the open road, but it's good enough to get out of the big smoke for a couple of days.
Do you even surf, bro?
Because if you do, surely you've heard of Margaret River on the southwest coast of WA. It's an iconic surfing spot. But big barrels are not the only thing luring in thrill seekers. When the winds are on shore, there's some pretty sick trails to carve. We haven't been to Margs for over 6 years, and this will be my first time on the bike and not the board. Aurora! Yeah, boy! Woodage up trails. The insanely awesome Margaret River. I have no idea where I'm going on trail forks. It looks like a little bit of a maze. They're only short runs, so it shouldn't be too bad. We're off to a cracking start. Definitely not the way. Alright, so I've heard the trail Pugsley's good, so we'll start with that. I think we just follow this trail with Andy. I was so surprised at how beautiful the bush was out here, and also the huge amount of people riding their bikes. G'day, g'day, g'day. Alright, alright, hey, g'day. Well, this is nice. It's a bit sticky. Ooh. Alright, the 10th trail map is looking a bit haggard. Where are we? I think we're down here somewhere, so I think we just go up this trail here, pedal up, and then we'll suss out Pugsley. Yeah, I had a mate tell me Pugsley's like hell fun, so yeah, we'll do that. That's a blue trail before we hit any of the black trails and go searching for these rock gardens. I've been told by the locals there's not many rock gardens out here. I like my technical riding, so I've made it my mission to find these secret rocks. And this climb has 20 metres of elevation, so definitely doable. Oh, the dirt's so red. So nice in here. Log ride. And don't forget this log ride. We will be back. Oh, no. Oh, you coward. That would have to be one of the nicest climbs I've ever done. Even though the trails look like a maze on the map, Pugsley was actually pretty easy to find. I usually like trails that are pretty steep, so when I noticed Pugsley only has 24 metres in elevation, I wasn't really expecting much. Pugsley. And it didn't take me long to realise I was wrong. Oh my god. Oh, the burns are so good. It's like a BMX track. Boy. Yeah. Oh, sick. Woo. A bit pedally. Oh, alright. Yeah, boy. Oh. Yeah. Sick. Oh, yes. Oh, it's so smooth. What do we got? Oh, yes! Roller coaster! Oh my god. So fun. Yeah! Oh. Oh, and yeah, that's how you build a fun trail with not much elevation. And then I found this. And this. And this. And this. And this. And this. And this. So I think you get the picture. I found the secret rock gardens. Well, they're not really that secret at all. They are scattered throughout a descending black diamond trail called Paper Trail and a climbing trail called Golden Carrot. I've definitely found some rocks and they're not the ones in my head. So I've just come down Paper Trail, totally cooked that line. GoPro's been a bit how you going, so I'm not sure if I captured the top of the trail. Come down the trail here and ended up getting swept down onto this low side. And try again, but I'll try to stay high, stay on top of all this jank. And then across these rocks here, which also looks pretty sketchy. Yeah, really fun trail. Because there's not a whole lot of elevation, it's sort of hard to hold your momentum, but it's so fun. Low, high. Oh, we're offline. Oh, it's really tricky. Just keeps pushing me down. I'm finally done. Stay high. Yes. Boy. Very, very cool. Oh damn, it's humid. We're on Golden Carrot to go back up to hit Paper Trail again. This is some of the best trail art I've ever seen. Also came across this sweet little drop on Golden Carrot. We're up. Paper Trail, take 2. After session in the off-camber section on Paper Trail, I'm so keen to put a full run together on this fun technical trail. Whoop. Oh, so good. Whoop. Yes. Let's stick to the right. Yes. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Oh yes! Alright. And then high. Low, high. Oh, this could be a calm. Alright, so now we've entered a plantation by the looks of it. So I think this is where the newer trails have been built. The infamous Black Pearl. I always get a little nervous when I see the caution steep jump sign. Oh, I've heard so much about this trail. Alright, let's go. Yes! Yo! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, I don't have the speed. Oh, it's loose there. Yes! Oh, hip! Whoa! Yo! Oh, so doable. Oh, now we're talking. Step up! Yes! Oh, the crowd says nothing. Exactly how you build a trail with not much elevation. Straight in. Yes! Oh! Oh, little shape there. Yes! Yeah! Oh, a little short. I'm scared. Yeah, deep. It's one of the funnest tracks I've ever ridden. I'm gonna hit the climb again and I'll time it and see how long it takes me to get back to the top of Black Pearl. Alright, ready, set, go. 2 minutes 50. Wasn't even trying. Black Pearl again. Yes. Dab of the brake. Yeah. Dab of the brake. Is that a thing? Now the next trail I'm going to do is going to really throw a spanner in the works. I'm going to go hit a green trail because I've got a little grom and I want to know what trails she'll be riding when she finally gets on her bike. If she does get on her bike. So let's go suss out a green trail. I found this green trail called Loosey Goosey, and I also met Stapp on a climbing trail. Let's shred this green trail into a blue. Oh. And this is my type of green trail. Literally anyone can roll down this trail and have the sickest time, no matter the skill level. so flowy. Oh, mate's fucking cooking. Yeah, that was good. Quick, isn't it?
Fast, yeah, fast and flowing.
Alright, I'll catch you later, Stat.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Froff dog.
This old dog. It's the log ride from earlier, but this time we're not leaving until this awkward feature is ticked off. Scary. I love technical climbing. I love technical climbing. Oh, nearly ran over my phone. Fucking. Yes. How do I get to the brew house from here, dude?
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, what? Is it a fair way?
I think the brew house is that way, man.
Is it? And the best thing about these trails, trail to brew house. So epic. Oh my God, I'm fucking shaking. I was just getting some B-roll for the video. And I was filming on the climbing trail next to Paper Trail. Me, dude, the biggest tiger snake. Oh, I'm sweating. It was like full, made that hissing sound and was like, sounded like a whip. Me, that was terrifying. I am shaking. I'm so getting out of here.